Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making ripe plantain cake, Ofam. Yes. Thanks for your love and support. Please continue to subscribe, share, and comment to support this channel. God bless. Yeah, so I'm using this leftovers to make Ofam plantain cake. Yeah, so I have here palm oil, just a little bit left. So leftovers, this is plantain, wrapped plantain. This is corn flour, and I say chichiri, we call it on brown. Yes, both. And this is plantain, soft plantain, that's the yellow one. And all I'm adding is just one onion because this one is seasoned already with pepper, everything. Like you can fry it and then consume it. So I'm using it for Ofam. This is quick one. See a bay Ofam, many are my leftover cocoa from brown, Jane back open American because he may season it out just like Kelewele seasoning. So I'm going to blend everything. No, not everything. I'm going to blend the plantains and the onion. Then I'll add the flour to it, the Tom Brown. Okay, this is my blend me cocoa my plantain no. Tino me add me palm oil no. Ingo no now the gusto. Ingo come, that's it. Ooh. Okay, now I think what the chichiri no and I say what roasted corn flour no. You can use corn dough, you can mix it with peanuts, you can mix it with flour and corn dough, flour and roasted corn flour. Yeah, you can add like two powders together. Ultimate cut it and so efra peanuts, how do you call it, peanut butter, and I say after weaving now baby baking you just add your peanuts in cutting now they account ashishim. That's me when I'm eating my Ofam. I want to enjoy it mostly. So I don't want to add any peanuts in it unless it's peanut butter. Good. I don't want crisscross beer. Let me enjoy my Ofam smoothly and me pan so I ready. Yes. What about our pan man? Greasy pan, and this so it has cover, so in case you're taking it out for party or program, you just finish baking, you cover it, carry it to go. Tea flour. This is flour about 2.5 tablespoons. If you want your Ofam to be soft or to taste the plantain, the sweetness of the plantain, you don't need to add more flour. And also, some people like it firm. Yeah, then you can add more flour. With me, with this plantain, it was firm. It wasn't like soft or watery. It was firm, so I added just a little bit. And I like my Ofam firm. It's ready. Maybe it's time for you. Send your family a camera. Till wait to me I enjoy with inkati, granuts, peanuts. And for you to know say abing and so no. When say me the Diana poki who they sticky shema. Now that's it. There's nothing on it, just like the way you check your cake. So it's ready to be consumed. And also no side and side, no one says side and side, no. By itself. Then also tells you say it's ready. You want to know how to make Ofam from the scratch? You check on my channel, Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. I have Ofam there. This person who sent me from scratch. This one was rapido. We check my channel no so Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Me Ofam wo ho. Ntin na ya wash it. fry this one. Okay, here. And you. Yeah, soft, so soft. When you cut a bee, you know, ice water be in one. It's hot. There, Dankasa. Okay, ready. Here you. Okay. Voila. Look. Ofam like ready. Ready. Shrimp. Yeah, all soft tail inside. Whoop-a. See, here we Ofam. Say. Enjoy.